Perhaps what is called death, as I sit on the edge of breaking worlds because it is dark and unknown, is a new life trying to break through into consciousness. Perhaps what I call life, because it is familiar, is but a dying pattern. A pattern I try to keep alive by defending my boundaries and by holding on to the safety and security of outworn values, positions, and attitudes. After all, innocence, in the final analysis, is a refusal to leave the known and to really come in touch with this world. Without a dying to the old order, there is no place for renewal. The soul favors the death experience to violate innocence and usher in change. It takes courage to choose the unknown, to enter it willingly. To choose the ideal of life as an individual truth requires stepping out of the collective stream and becoming attuned to the mystery, living anchored in the half light of the psyche.